Italy, one of the world's greatest civilizations, home to the Renaissance, the birthplace of universities, and now the host of one of Europe's most ambitious national PhD program in artificial intelligence. Today, I'm sharing something special, the National PhD program in artificial intelligence for society. Run jointly by universities and research institutions across Italy, has just opened applications for 37 fully funded PhD positions for the 2026-2029 cycle. 37 positions covering five major thematic groups at institutions including the University of Pisa, Scuola Normale Superiore, Siena, University of Bologna, INFN, and more. You receive 1,200 euros net per month, and you receive 11,000 euros in research funding over 3 years, and you get to work on some of the most important questions in AI today, from explainability and fairness to medical AI, climate modeling, AI governance, and quantum scale physics. The deadline is 10th of August 2026 at 1 o'clock Italian time. This video is a complete guide, so let's quickly dive in. Welcome back to Scholarship, where I find fully funded academic opportunities from around the world so you can focus on what matters, that is applying. If you are new here, subscribe right now. I post regularly and cover PhDs, scholarship, fellowships, and global youth opportunities every week. Let's break down every detail of this program. The National PhD in Artificial Intelligence for Society is a multidisciplinary doctoral program that launched in Italy as part of the country's national investment in AI research. It brings together some of Italy's leading universities and research centers under a single coordinated program with a shared vision, developing AI that is human centered, beneficial to society, and responsible. This is not a single university program. It is a national initiative involving institutions from Pisa to Bologna, Naples, Bari, Milan, Modena, Trento, Palermo, L'Aquila, Perugia, and even international facing research sites. For the 42nd cycle, running from the November 2026 to the 2029, they have opened 36 open positions across three main selection tracks: D1 and O1, D1 and O2, and D1 and O3, plus one reserve position. The 36 open positions in D1 and O1 are clustered into five thematic groups. The program is 3 years in duration, starting the 1st of November 2026. To be eligible, you must have completed your master's by the 31st of October 2026. Let's talk about the funding, because this generally is competitive. Okay, so every PhD student in the program receives a scholarship of approximately 1,200 euros net per month. In Italy, especially in universities, cities like Pisa, Bologna, Bari, Perugia, 1,200 euros per month is a livable income. Rent for a single room in Pisa typically ranges from 400 to 600 euros per month. Food, transport, and social life are very affordable by European standards. Beyond the monthly stipend, each PhD student receives a research budget of approximately 11,000 euros over the entire 3 years. This covers conference travel, research equipment, software, study visits abroad, and other academic expenses. That is not nothing, that is a meaningful professional developmental budget. So in total, across 3 years, you are looking at approximately 43,000 to 44,000 euros in stipend alone, plus an additional 11,000 euros for research. For a fully funded doctorate at one of Italy's leading institutions, this is a strong package. Now, talking about who can apply. The program is open to candidates from any country in the world. There's no nationality restrictions. International students explicitly welcome, and the program has a strong track record of enrolling non-Italian researchers. To be eligible, you must hold or be on track to hold by 31st of October 2026 a master's degree or equivalent in a relevant field. Relevant background includes computer science, artificial intelligence, engineering, physics, mathematics, medicine, biology, law, social sciences, linguistics. The breadth of this program is generally wide because the research spans so many disciplines. Be able to conduct and communicate research in English, the working language of the program. Selection is based on three elements: your curriculum vitae, your research project proposal, and an interview. This is important. It means that this program rewards motivated, well prepared candidates, not just with the highest grades. Let me walk you through the 5 thematic groups and the positions within each one. I'll give you enough details to find where you fit, but visit the program website for the full list of supervisors and research project abstracts. Group A, that is the trustworthy, human-centered, and responsible AI, which has like the 9 scholarships. So this is the foundational group addressing the core question of how we build AI that humans can trust, understand, and safely work alongside. The positions here span some of the most urgent topics in AI right now. Let me highlight a few. Like one position at the University of Pisa focuses on next generation human centered AI, designing systems that are accurate but also understandable, fair, and adaptive, capable of supporting human decisions making without replacing human responsibility. This covers explainability, uncertainty, awareness, fairness, and human in the loop mechanism. At ISTICNR, one position investigates reliability and learning to differ in agentic AI. Essentially, when should an AI agent act and when should it step back and hand control to a human? This is fundamental for safe AI deployment in high stakes scenarios like oncology patient management. Also, at ISTICNR, there's a fascinating position on social digital twins, computational model of entire human population that allows researchers to simulate how information spreads, opinions form, and societies polarize, and then test the impact of policy intervention in a virtual environment before deploying them in the real world. At Scuola Normale Superiore, one of Italy's most light research institutions, one position focuses on explainable AI and hybrid decision making, including XAI for science, trustworthy large language models, and the co-evolution between AI algorithms in society. The supervisor is Professor Posca Gionotti, an internationally recognized leader in XAI. Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna offers two positions at the intersection of AI, statistics, computer science, and social sciences, with applications in economics, management, and law. At the Gran Sasso Science Institute in L'Aquila, one position addresses the ethical and social challenges of agentic AI, the governance framework needed when AI systems act autonomously in the world. The University of L'Aquila hosts a position on explainable neurosymbolic agents for cognitive resilience, integrating neural networks with symbolic reasoning to create AI agents that humans can oversee and correct. The University of Perugia offers a position on novel algorithms and theoretical foundations for AI, with emphasis on privacy preserving machine learning, adversarial robustness, and fairness. Group A is for you if you want to work on the why and how of trustworthy AI, the theory, the ethics, and the mechanism. Group B is architecture, models, and application of AI, which has 11 scholarships. In Group A is about trust and values. Group B is about technical innovation, building the next generation AI systems. IITCNR has two positions, one on green, continual, and decentralized AI, making AI more energy efficient, helping models adapt to new data without forgetting the old, and doing this across distributed networks of devices. The second is on casual AI, moving beyond correlations to understand cause and effect, and pervasive computing environments like smartphones and IoT sensors as the research test bed. ISDICNR has positions on aesthetic assessments of 3D models using deep learning to understand not just what a 3D object looks like, but whether it's beautiful, coherent, and well designed, a genuinely novel challenge. At the University of Bari, with industry partners Planet Tech, one position focuses on large multimodal models for the Earth observation, building a geo agent that can understand geospatial intent, interpret satellite imagery, and support environmental and monitoring, disaster response, and climate analysis. This is AI for the planet. The University of Bologna, with Fondazione Bruno Kessler, offers two positions, one on fair and compliant AI and civic digital twins, ensuring AI embedded in government and public services is auditable, fair, and regulatory compliant. The other on robust AI for environmental pollution sciences, handling noisy, heterogeneous environment data, and explainable and fair AI models. University of Messina has a position on advanced machine learning for cloud and edge environments, balancing centralized training with real-time edge inference for distributed intelligence systems. Similarly, for Group C, human-centered AI for health and well-being learning has 9 scholarships. This is one of the most impactful group in the entire program, where AI applied directly to human health and education. And Group D has AI for scientific research in physics, which has 3 scholarships, two positions at the Instituto Nazionale di Fisica Nucleare. INFN cover AI for fundamental physics research, and one position at Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna focuses on scientific machine learning for computational physics. And Group E has AI regulation and governance, including 2 scholarships and 2 positions for the legally and policy minded people at the University of Naples La Oriental and at Fondazione Bruno Kessler. 2 additional positions with highlighting separately is DN102 at the University of Pisa in collaboration with FiberCop, Italy's national fiber network operator focused on geospatial AI and B2B digital twin models, and D1N03 at the University of Pisa in collaboration with Sadas, a banking software company focusing on agentic retrieval augmented generation for the banking and finance domain. Here is how you need to apply. You need to go to the official program website, which the link is given to you in description, and review the full list of scholarship topics, supervisors, and abstracts for each group. Okay. Step 2, identify the thematic group and specific scholarship topic that best aligns with the background and interests. Step 3, contact the relevant supervisor by email. Introduce yourself, express your interest, and ask any specific questions about the project. This is strongly recommended as supervisors remember motivated candidates who reach out early. Step 4, prepare your application documents. This includes your curriculum vitae, your master's degree certificate, or confirmation of expected completion, and most critically, your research project proposal. The proposal is where you demonstrate your understanding of the research area and your vision for the PhD work. Step 5, submit your application online through the University of Pisa's official portal by 10th of August 2026 at 1 o'clock Italian time. The Italian version of the call is already live. The English version will appear shortly on the program website. Step 6, if shortlisted, prepare for the interview. This is a key part of the selection. Practice articulating your research interests, your academic background, and why this specific project matters to you. So this is Italy's national PhD program in artificial intelligence for society. 37 fully funded positions, 5 thematic groups, and it is open to the world. Deadline is 10th of August 2026. Start a research project proposal today. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more opportunities every week. Share it with someone who is already for the PhD in AI. All the links and supervisor contacts are in the link provided in the description. So kindly check it out for yourself. Look for the specific documents, and Italy is calling. Go for it, and I'll see you in the next video. Kindly comment in the description box if you all want such kind of opportunities for me to continue